terrible twos. Terrible twos. Diabetes. Diabetes. Are we live? Oh. What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. In today's episode, I make an asshole of my light just went out. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Mr. LightMode Makes an Asshole of Himself. Today, I'm showing you guys a brand new LightMode kit that I designed recently during these terrible, strange, scary times. But no worries, guys. This kit, super easy to install, just like the last one. It's called the Venom Kit. It's got 4 lights, and we're gonna be installing it on this brand new AGV Pista GP RR. I think I was supposed to tell you guys one more thing, but I forgot. Flying by the seat of our pants, what you gonna do? Let's get started. So these are the brand new light strips. I have titled them Venom because I have been inspired by some unnamed arachnid-based evil villain from some unnamed non-DC universe. I think they're quite cool looking. I've already kind of test fitted them on this helmet and it's gonna look perfect. But before we can place the light strips, mount, and controller on this helmet, we gotta give it a good spit shine. So let's get going with that. So there's one little tricky thing with this updated version of the AGV Pista. If you notice the spoiler, it doesn't have any vents now over here. The previous gen had 3 little vents. We could run the light strips through it, but for this version, because there's no vents, we're going to have to run the wires like this, which is not a big deal. If you really wanted a clean install, you could unscrew the spoiler here, here, and here. Take it off, make tiny little notches, like with a Dremel or with a filer of some sort. You make a little notch here, make a little notch down here, and then you could run the wires. They could go through the notch and then come out of the notch and then plug into the controller at the back here. That would be the cleanest install. If you have this helmet, feel free to do that. This helmet does not belong to me, it's my friend's, and he pleaded with me not to drill holes into his AGV Pista like we did with Stan's helmet. And you know what? I respect that. So as you can see, this kit comes with all the same components as an Evo kit. It just has a different light strip design. So you got the controller, you got the curved mount, you got some extra double-sided adhesives, you got some plugs in case you only want to plug one of these in for whatever reason. You got extension wires, both short and long, a USB rechargeable cable, and you got some decals and an instruction manual that none of you guys are going to read. So you don't want to stick this here, otherwise you have this extra slack, and you don't want to pull this so tight that there's tension on here and here. So you want to find like a happy medium where you kind of pull tight, find the spot that you want, and then release the tension a little bit, pull it back, and then drop it down gently right into the place that you want. Something like that might look pretty sweet. Why don't we take a quick look at this in the dark? So here it is. That's not bad. Ooh, that pops nicely on this helmet. Damn, that's fire. Woo! Look at me talking like a millennial. Let's get the other half done. If you wanted to take one extra step, you could use these 3M double-sided adhesives and cut out a little piece and stick them here underneath and here. I'm looking at this install and I don't think I need to do it because I don't have much slack here, so from any angle you don't really see the wires that far from the helmet. What we're gonna do now is just stick on the LightMode decal. If a bunch of thieves are gonna be stealing my content, well, they're gonna have to deal with having my logo plastered all over their stolen ads.
Okay, that doesn't look too bad.
That's going in the video.
What?
We're done. Check it out. The final install is complete. Why do I keep calling it the final install? What do you guys think? Here it is, side view right here, side angle. Let me give you a closer look. Focus. All right, so there's the side view. There's the front, tilted down. The other side, and the back. Curious what you guys think about the new kit. I'm gonna go out for a night shoot now with my buddy Dale and get some cool night riding shots with his green Ninja 400. Anyways, you guys know the drill. It's time to go for the night shoot. Exit frame.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
So we can take photos of him.
You can take with him, why not?
Cool.
Only no to, it's not for advertising.
Oh, okay, okay.
See what you're saying?
There you go. Yeah, looks good. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I've got a lot more installs coming up. We've got the Built Well lane splitter helmet that's gonna be light moded in Aqua. We've got a AGV Corsa down here. And we've got Stan the Motor Man's Icon, sorry, not Icon. This is the Ruroc Atlas Mercury. So stick around, subscribe to the channel, join me on Instagram. My LightMode is, my Instagram is at mr.lightmode. Send me a DM on there, let me know if you watch the YouTube channel. And yeah, stick around guys, more cool videos to come.